Hi guys, so welcome to another lecture of Redux JS, and in this lecture onwards we will start to create our first very basic application using React and Redux. Now what we are going to create is already there in front of the screen. You can see on top that there is an increment button as well as a decrement button, and there is a number. So if you click increment, it should go plus. If you click decrement, it should go down, and it should stop at 0. If you decrement further, it will not go up. And there's no limit to incrementing the number. So that's the small app that we're going to create, and the reason we have picked up such a small tiny app is so that we understand the concepts of Redux better as compared to just doing an application for the sake of it. So once we are through with this, probably the next application will get a little complicated as compared to this one. Now that was just an overview, and of course if you have any questions or you need any break or any setup to be done, this is the time to do it. And after that we'll begin a marathon to complete this app in full-fledged. Okay, and I'll see you in the next lecture.